Just dragging. It was Ryan Fab. Look at Riverside Drift invades New Jersey. It's the guy who fucked up my car.
Sorry.
Yeah, look at Bash Bar. That's all he did was ruin it.
Why do you gotta do him like that?
Because I call him every month. I call him literally once a month to tell him how he ruined my car.
Just to remind me. Let it be known, I warned him.
No, he said, hey, this is going to make your car way more comfortable. He said this will make it so much better.
Well, it's only better when someone hits you or you hit a wall. That's when you're more comfortable.
Yeah.
Because your head's still attached to your body. Yeah.
Morning. Yeah, we're just riding, taking our cars to the track. Luckily, Chris is towing us up there.
Yeah, mine broke. We wouldn't make it if it wasn't for the big trailer.
He's got this, it's like a 6-car trailer, basically.
I bet we could fit 10 if we packed it real good.
We're getting ready to do some FD testing out here, going over to the Gambler. Should be pretty good today. We got a couple new setups, running a little extra toe in the rear, added a little anti-squat. We got the brake pedal removed so we can make sure we keep good momentum. What's the matter, dude?
Show the people your CB boot.
It's custom. It's from Drive Shaft Shop. Just put it on. So when I got hit in the collision, it ripped the boot. It was electrical taped. We just added a little Gorilla tape. Should be dialed. I don't think we'll have to touch it again, probably. Nelson thinks we will. We're gonna get the wheel back on. We're gonna get the car out here. We nut and bolted it for the first time in way too long. And yeah, everybody's just hanging out. Well, guys, we just finished our private day. I didn't film anything telling you guys that we were doing the private day at the beginning, but there'll be lots of driving clips after this, actually. I won't put them before it. But we did put some 275 Federals on. We got some laps with Nelson following us and the old Super Bean Tech buggy. And these 275s on look super gangster. They smell like ass. They're Federal 595s, and they smell like total turd burning them off. Worst smelling tire I've ever smelled. But man, look how big the 275 looks. So aggressive on this car. It is sick. Huge shout out to Chris for letting us drive today. Yeah!
I got to ride along in a monster, dude.
Nelson's stoked right now.
Not bad. I might have went off-roading a little bit chasing you, but
Did you?
it's all good. Just
That's
keep
all
good.
right. Yeah, my tires are starting to look like that. That's why I didn't toss it up at the wall all the way. Because I suck. But we have an oil leak again somewhere, and I already wiped it off on the front of the motor. But I'm still pushing coolant at Englishtown, so we got this $23 Amazon swirl pot all hooked up. I should have probably showed you guys this. I don't see many K-Series people do this, but I don't know. I'm trying to eliminate any options that it could be other than a head gasket. So if this doesn't work now, I'm gonna say it's probably a head gasket. We'll just go ahead and do that. But we got it all hooked up. Blowing all good. Swirling, getting all the air out. try this out because unfortunately it doesn't really show like during normal idle conditions or anything like that. Obviously, we have to be in boost. So we'll have to wait till the next track day. But looking so good so far. And yeah, I'm not sure how much content we'll have in between doing this. Should have probably filmed this, I'm sorry. And the next track day because I think we got a little bit of a gap till we drive again. But here's a little update. So hopefully this fixes it so we don't have to pull the head off. But if we do, we do. That's cars.